So this installation is inspired by the river and waterways in Miami and the Caribbean, thinking about their historical, spiritual, and cultural significance. My name is GeoVanna Gonzalez. I'm a multidisciplinary artist. I have been commissioned for this year's temporary pavilion project with MOAD, and the title of my piece is Flowing Pathways. Throughout my practice, sort of a major focus of mine is thinking about public and private space and who those spaces are designed for, and thinking about ideas around invisible architecture, infrastructure. So the participatory aspect of my work is something that is really important to me. I see in a lot of ways as 50% of the work. There is the installation in itself, the sculptural aspect, and then the other half is this participatory aspects. I'm really interested in exercising in my practice, creating artworks that are accessible, that could be in the general public space, that is also functional and not just something to kind of look at from a distance, but that the viewer could also be a part of the work. Flowing Pathways is inspired by rivers, essentially, thinking about all the multiple pathways in which rivers can go in and how they lead to the ocean. When you say it, you feel the movement in the work. So for the installation, I chose the color blue, thinking about water and how the color looks to the human eye. And also wanted to work with acrylic glass and the transparency, working with the light and shadow and being able to cast the color blue on the ground and in the installation itself. For the pavilion, what I really hope, or people would want to engage with the work, there are two main components, which are benches, so people can sit or take a moment of rest to lay down. And I felt that, in the sort of downtown area where it is many different walks of life, being able to provide something like that here was something that was really important for me. So I want to invite everyone during the duration of the exhibition to come by and feel welcome to be a part of the installation and have a seat and join the rest of us here. Follow the Museum of Art and Design at Miami-Dade College at MOAD MBC.